Embryo with more than 16 blastomeres formed due to in vitro fertilization is transferred into option A, fimbriae. It is incorrect because fimbriae are part of the fallopian tube that captures the ovulated egg, but they are not suitable for transferring embryos via IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. Option B, cervix. It is also incorrect because cervix, which is a lower part of the uterus, is not the site for the embryo transfer. Option C, uterus. Now, embryos with more than 16 blastomeres are at the morula or the early blastocyst stage. So, these are transferred directly into the uterus, where they can implant into the endometrial lining and develop further. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, fallopian tube. It is also incorrect because embryos at early stages, that is zygote or 2 to 8 cell stage, can be transferred to the fallopian tube in a procedure called the zygote intrafallopian transfer, that is ZIFT. But embryos which are more than 16 blastomeres are transferred to the uterus.